Hi there guys, I'm Nikhil from GreedyTech, and in this video I will be unboxing all these UAG cases for the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. Well, I've already unboxed the Samsung Monarch series case. This is in the leather color or the leather textured one. There's already a video for that. You can check that out for more information. But in this video we will be checking out other cases from UAG. By the way, this Monarch series case has been purchased from the official UAG website and it has been shipped internationally, and I had to even pay customs for that. But now you can buy this UAG case in India directly on Amazon.in. By the way guys, GreedyTech is an official seller of UAG cases in India, so make sure you check the seller before you place an order. So let's look at the cases. First we have the Pathfinder series. This is the cameo color or camo color, and this is a bit pricey. I'll talk about prices later. Next we have another Pathfinder case. This is the slate colored one. Next we have the plasma case, which is kind of transparent. This is the ice color. Next we have the Plyo series case in the glacier color, and this is like an entry level case. Finally we have another Monarch series case on the carbon fiber color. So first let's start with the entry level case. That's the Plyo. By the way, this case is priced around 3000 rupees in the Indian market. It's fluctuating somewhere between 2800 to 3000 rupees, and there's currently a 10% coupon in Amazon.in, so you can get it for about 2500 rupees. So that's the entry level price, and I'll talk more about which one is the better one later. So for now, let's just unbox this. First I'll be unboxing and talking about all these cases, and after that we can see which one is the best or how the case looks inside the phone. By the way guys, all these cases have been drop tested, so if your phone drops with any of these cases, it'll definitely survive. I'm pretty sure about that. Anyway, this is the glacier color Plyo case, and it has these air cushion things going on the sides, and as I said, it's an entry level case, so it won't be looking as fancy or as protective as your Monarch series case. So this is how it looks like. Now, one of the best things about UAG cases is the overall fit. Like, you can easily pop in and pop out your phone from a case with much ease. I have tried cases from Otterbox and even the priciest cases from Spigen. They are good, but they are kind of bulky and kind of hard to pop in and pop out your phone. Anyway, this is how the Plyo series looks like. We have all the cutouts, and as I've said, it has air cushions on the sides, and that's all. There is no rubber grip kind of material going on anywhere. It's just like a regular plastic hard case, but with better materials and drop tested. So this is the cheapest one. Next we have plasma, so let's check that out. Once again, it looks pretty similar to Pathfinder and even the Monarch series, but with a transparent back, a slightly different material, and inside it also has this honeycomb texture, which is just for show. At least that's what I think. So this is the plasma edition case with ice color. It's just transparent. I'll show you how it looks like once again in a minute. Once again, it has this rubber padding, rubber edges all around. Now this one has the air cushion thing and this doesn't, but still this offers a slight bit of additional protection than this entry level case with a transparent back. Next we have a plain looking Pathfinder series case. This is the slate color, and this is how you open it up. Once again, even this case has been drop tested and it's military grade certified, and this is how it looks inside with honeycomb patterns all around. So in terms of protection, this definitely offers you slightly better protection than these two cases. Definitely better than this case. And the next one is also a Pathfinder with cameo color. So this is the plain slate color and this is the camouflage version. As far as pricing goes, these three series, that's Plyo, Plasma and Pathfinder, are priced the same. That's 3000 rupees. That's the base price. As I've said, there is some discount going on and some coupon system going on. So you should be able to get it for about 2500 rupees. And that's the best price for these cases. Now this is the limited edition camouflage Pathfinder series case, and this one is priced 500 rupees more. So this plain looking Pathfinder case costs 3000 rupees, while this camouflage color, just for its coloring, costs 3500 rupees. So these are all the entry level cases, and the best or the most costliest UAG case is the Monarch series case, and here it is. As I've said, this is the carbon fiber color, and here we have the leather textured one. So I'll just open it up in a minute. So there we go. This is the carbon fiber UAG case, and this is the leather finished same Monarch series UAG case. You can clearly see the difference. Personally, I like the leather finish because it has a complete monotonous finish, monotonous look with black screws or complete black effect, while this carbon fiber color has the silver screws going all around, which is definitely not my first preference. Now the best thing about all these cases is that they are feather light. All these cases weigh about 45 grams, and once you put on the case, phone doesn't feel all that heavy. 45 grams might sound a lot, but other cases from Spigen or Otterbox which offer this level of protection weigh even more. Now all these cases are definitely drop tested and they're also military grade certified, but the weakest among them, or the entry level one, is the Plyo, and this is the cheapest one. And next we have this Plasma, which looks pretty cool and pretty good, especially if you want to show off your color. That's the color of the phone. Then this is also a pretty good option, but if you want the absolute protection, then I will suggest you to go with either the Pathfinder or the Monarch. Now coming to warranty, all these cases, or just these 3 series, that's the first 3 series, have a warranty of 1 year, and that's all. While this Monarch series case has 2 times drop protection and it also has 10 years of warranty. Now you might definitely not use this phone for 10 years, but the case is really well built, and if you plan on using your phone for a long time, this case can definitely last you much longer than any of these cases. So if you are looking for a absolutely best case or the best drop proof case for your Samsung S10 Plus, I'll definitely suggest you to go with the Monarch series case. By the way, this case in India on Amazon.in is priced at 4,500 rupees, but with that 10% coupon, it's about 4,100 rupees, which is pretty good for the protection it offers. Now for commonalities, all these cases have all the right cutouts. Obviously, it has a raised lip for the camera module, so even when you place your phone directly on its back, camera module is well protected, and it has a slightly raised lip for the chin and forehead. So even when you place your phone directly on its face like this, display is still protected. And as you can see, there is a bit of grip, like there is some traction, so that's also pretty good. Now I'll insert this phone onto all the other cases and show you how the phone looks with each case on. So this is the Monarch series case, so let me just put that aside. Now this is the S10 Plus in the ceramic black color, and once we put on the Plyo series case, this is how the phone looks like. The buttons are very clicky, like they have a nice clicky feel to them. It has all the cutouts. This is the bottom and that's the top. It even has a cutout for microphone hole, that's kind of obvious, and it has a raised lip even for the display, so that's pretty cool. And as you can see, there is sufficient raised lip for the camera module as well. Not as good as Monarch series, but still pretty good. So this is how the phone looks with the case on, and next we will try Plasma. So here we go. Now this is Plasma, and this is how it looks on the back. Once again, it has sufficient raised lip for the camera module, and even on the front, it has a raised lip. Pretty cool. Buttons have a nice clicky feel to them, and phone doesn't feel all that heavy, considering how bulky the case looks. In fact, the phone actually looks pretty slim, even with the case on. These are the ports. All the ports are covered, and it even has a hole for microphone. So this is the Plasma series. By the way, out of these 2 cases, that's the Plasma and Plyo, I'll suggest you to go with the Plasma series. It feels more premium, more sturdy, and has better quality. Now for the Pathfinder series, I'll be just showing you the camouflage color. So here we go. By the way, this texture underneath, it is called the honeycomb texture, and this is what actually protects your phone from harsh drops, and only the Pathfinder series and the Monarch series has it. These 2, Plyo and Plasma series, doesn't really have that honeycomb texture. Plasma series has it, but on the plastic surface, but this Pathfinder series has it on a rubber texture. So this Pathfinder definitely provides you better security than these 2 cases. Anyway, this is how the phone looks with the Pathfinder, and this is the camouflage color. By the way, this color is priced 500 rupees more than your regular plain color. So this is how the phone looks with Pathfinder. Once again, raised lip, has some traction to it, resistance, whatever you call it, and there we go. Finally, this is the carbon fiber colored Monarch series case, and this is how it looks underneath. It just pops in so simply, and then there you go. I can literally drop it like that and feel pretty safe. By the way, this is my friend's phone and he's probably very angry. Anyway guys, this is how the phone looks with the Monarch series case, just like the one I've shown you earlier in my earlier video as well. And once again, this offers you the best protection, and it also feels much more premium and much more stronger overall in terms of quality than when you compare it with your Pathfinder case. So if you're looking for a case for your Samsung Galaxy S10, S10 Plus, or even your S10e that's drop proof and that's lightweight with nice clicky buttons, I'll definitely suggest you the UAG Monarch series case. And if you're looking for the best one out of these 2, go for the leather finish. It looks much cooler. Now one thing I'm concerned about is the wireless charging and reverse wireless charging. So let's test that out now. Now this is a regular Qi wireless charger and let's test it out with the case on. Now it shows that there is charging going on and we've just seen an animation on the phone itself. So even with the case on, wireless charging works, but it might be slightly slower than when your phone is naked. So guys, these are all the UAG cases for your Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus, and you can also find them for S10 and the S10e as well on Amazon.in in India. So definitely check them out. Link for all these products is in the description. So guys, that's pretty much it for this video. Thanks for watching. If you're planning to buy any of these cases or the phone itself, use the link in the description. It always helps the channel. And if you want us to make any specific video, tweet out to us with the hashtag AskGreedyTech on Twitter and we will try to make it as soon as possible. I'm Nikhil from GreedyTech signing off. Have a nice day.